Hi friends, I'm Jill Keb with Healthy Facts. We are happy to bring you a really great cheesy sauce today from the people at Forks Over Knives. If you have not seen the movie Forks Over Knives, it is amazing. I love it. You gotta see it. It's a great film. And this is a cheesy sauce from a magazine that I bought. And I like all the different kinds of cheesy sauces there are. So what I have is some water here that's boiling. I switched the recipe up just slightly for myself, as I sometimes do, and I encourage everyone else to try that as well. It requires some cauliflower, and I am not really one to measure well, so this was a whole head of cauliflower. And I'm going to see how much my pan holds here. And then when you have potatoes, if you want to use them later on, but you want to kind of prep them, one trick you can do, which is fabulous, is to just soak them in cold water. You soak your potatoes in water and they won't get brown. So I've done that for Thanksgiving many times. And you want to mash your potatoes, but you don't want to do everything right then and there. I'll get the potatoes ready the day before and soak them. Alright, so we're gonna let that cook for not too long. Believe it or not, it doesn't take that long to get the potatoes soft. And then I'm gonna throw in this garlic too. The garlic it's gonna be cooked rather than raw. And that I left big enough chunks with the garlic that it won't drain out, so that was easy. And then once the vegetables are tender, throw them in a blender, add seasonings, and in this case there's no lemon juice in this cheesy sauce recipe, which was kind of different for me and unusual. Instead there's some marjoram, there's some, I have the vinegar in here as well. There's mustard, there's miso, there's turmeric, and salt and pepper. Pretty sure that's about it. And then of course nutritional yeast is the vital ingredient for any cheesy sauce in my opinion. I don't know that I've seen one without it, but I'm sure there are. And then some non-dairy milk. So unsweetened, a very simple recipe and yummy cheesy sauce. I'll be right back when the vegetables are tender. Okay, our vegetables are tender, and I'm going to just get them in the blender here. Make sure you don't cut your garlic too small, or you might kind of lose it when you drain it out. Okay, probably good. I didn't use every last piece of my... I had a really large head of cauliflower, so this is perfect. It's going to make a nice amount of sauce. And let's get it in there. I'm going to add the seasonings right here. Okay. I'm going to wait to add the nutritional yeast because the blender is going to be working very hard right now. So I'm going to get it just started even without the milk and get it going. Okay, I'm going to add the milk. The cauliflower is very nice and, water. There's a lot of liquid in the cauliflower, but the potatoes are sometimes hard for the machine. So you sometimes have to be a little bit... love using my tamper here. You have to be, a Cuisinart should also work well though or a food processor for this dish. Okay, if you want this to be a thicker sauce, you could certainly use a little bit less milk. I think this is a good consistency. It's always nice to have it nice and thick. Adjust your seasonings perhaps. Yummy. Delicious. You can put this on your potatoes, on your chips, on your pasta, on your veggies, on your burgers, and sound like I said boogers. Burgers, veggie burgers, of course. Anyway, I am Jill Keb with Healthy Facts. Enjoy this cheesy sauce. It is good and it is good for you.